Greetings traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. It is Wednesday, November 18th, and this is your morning report. I know it's rare for me to do a morning report. In fact, this is my first one, but I can't get you a post-market analysis today, so we'll take a quick run around the markets, pre-market here, and see what's going on. Well, we'll actually pull up the internet browser here. So far we've had some big economic numbers. For the most part they haven't been too stellar. So there you go. Yahoo Finance, U.S. housing starts, permits fall sharply in October. So that, if we go to Bloomberg calendar, that would be housing starts right here. So they fell sharply. Obviously they came in less than expected. So we'll see how that influences the market action today. As you can see pre-market here, around 8:15 we started to sell off. 8:30 it picked up big time when we had our economic reports come out. But then we found support at 11:11 or 111 on SPY, which is very expected, honestly. Expected to see support there, but we'll see how that holds the rest of the day. I can't tell you right now where we're going to open because the open is still 20 minutes away, but right now we do have a sort of a head and shoulders formation, very weak because it's not regular hours, but nonetheless, if we were to open right now, we do have a gap down, and keep in mind this little sell-off right here has a bear pullback, so that could mean more things in store for us on the bearish side. Let's look at the other markets pre-market. The Nasdaq's looking a little relatively weak, excuse me. The financials are holding up nicely, but they're not really trading after or pre-market here. The Russell's financials is an index, so that's not trading at all. And the IWM is, all the major indexes are painting this similar picture here with a sell-off starting around 8:15 and a bullish or a bearish pennant or a bear pullback, whatever you want to call that. So what else do I see today? I'm going to pull this back up, excuse me for this. Look out for this petroleum status report. It could affect the markets. Most likely it's going to affect things like dig or double no excuse me. Most likely that oil report is going to affect the one second. Sorry about that. My mind's still a little bit sleepy, but most likely the oil report is going to affect things like the natural gas ETF or other oil related stocks or related funds here. So look out for that. That could also in turn affect stocks. Let's look at the dollar. Yesterday, I forgot to mention this, but the dollar was strong yesterday. Despite our sell-off, we had this big rally in the dollar starting on Monday morning and peaking here on Tuesday, and that was a strange correlation because recently the dollar has been inversely correlated with equities, but yesterday the dollar was strong and stocks were strong. Post-market and pre-market here today we have a sell-off in the dollar, but right now the dollar is showing some strength as it's trying to make a comeback here. If the dollar can continue to show strength throughout the day, be careful because equities could go lower based on that. Thanks for being a part of SwingHigh.com, and check back this afternoon for check back around noon for your halftime report. Talk to you later.